So let me share with you guys how I spent my day, especially now that we're planning towards elections. At this point, I was excited. Anyway, I reached fuel station, I won't buy for it. They said they don't go sell for keg until I beg one person to put out for a car. I shall beg them, pay with my card, moved over to the market, bought some peppers, bought some, tomatoes. Everything I buy from market, no cash, na transfer or POS. Now, so we take do am because na cashless policy. Then we moved over to the mall. My security guy and I, this guy helped me, he helped me. Anyway, we enter mall, shop, our basket full. Only for us to want to pay, we got debited without even seeing the money. Now, so we not carry one thing, go out. So just like that, waste of time. I said, okay, no, while I make I fry fish as light day. I put her for air fryer, arrange everything. I saw this nonsense nepa carry lights. Kill joy. Me way here to the fry fish. Hey God, which kind of with this one? Anyway, I ended up frying this my fish in hot oil. I'm not going to even lie. I put her for hot oil. The thing just splash anyhow, like saying me being problem. I shall boil my peppers, boil my tomatoes, and this nonsense fish was just angry. I say, what thing be this? Now me you want? I put her for ground. Put her for ground, turn her for there, put her back for fire. Not be me, you go kill because now not kill my mama, you not go kill me. I put my tomatoes for free, chop, watch TV. I say better you don't try. Let me know how did you guys spend your day because what